Gold in lifetime. Drake kick brown. Visit officer new old things. You have availably gifted in making other people feel understood and appreciate. I have felt this personally. It is thought you are the translating a language that not one else understand a language composed of unspoken thought and interesting emotion. You seem you to understand what a people needed a way they are really can the kind of is more important that you know. Whenever I see you get excited about the little things or I watch that infection smiles of your light up a room, reminding incredible, adorable you are there. This genuine pure energy about you that don't right magnetic. I truly believed there is nothing you cannot do, and trusted me. I'd move and monitor to see achieve everything you set hard on here. To you, he quite a force of nature. I will never. I miss you, my dear and believed lady, so much that sometimes it is difficult to breathe. I want to run and fill into your tender embrace, smile. You are here. You are warmth and be there always. There are days when I miss you so much that cannot myself from thinking of you. You are my work till my life. They are breathe. I breathe. Everything is dull and boring without you. When we are together, lifetime just falls away like a jacket plane. When a or a part, I can feel every ticking second of the clock hammering and one year after another stating in my heart. I miss you, honey. I only saw you are for a second, but it mind me day you are kindness and is super care, always making me wonder what a lifetime I have been without you. Are my hero, and I love you internally. There are only two times that want to be with you, no, and forever. My heart for you will be never break. My smile for you will never fight. My love for you will never end. Of love you, if I could be anything, I we wear tears so I could prone in year die lifetime. You are check and die. You are lips when you need it sometime. There for you, right there. You said always. When I look my past, I say something missing, and then reason it was so bad. You are my present. I look at my future and complete it. One day it finally came true. It's the special someone that I loved me to, and special someone was you. Life has never been better. Thank you to sweetheart, to the love of my life. I wish you have to out today professional in all set. You are hard to do. Stay great and lovely from my dear. Love you. Sometimes I wonder if love is warmth fighting for. Then I look at you. I am ready for war as long as there is my your heart will be the best it can ever to keep your heart unbroken as a promise. I am willing to keep. I love you. I dropped a tear in the ocean's day. I find the day I stop loving you. I love you as I never loved another. Every will be again. Love you with all that I am. All will every when you feel alone. Just looking at the space between your fingers and remember that's where my fingers fight perfectly. I wish you more than and wish me for the day. From the moment I meet you, my life look took in a new beautiful meaning. Your presence in my world has part a sense of completeness that I never known existed. You are smile, you are lighter, and you are unwavering supporter. You have become the foundation of my happiness. Cannot imagine a life without you, and every day I thank you. The universe is bringing you into my life as I sit here and reflected on our journey together. I am overwhelmed but depth of emotion I feel for you. You are my confidant and my true love. You are love as the power of my worlding and inspiration. My greatest dream with you I discovered as a love so profound that it transcending time and spaces. I miss you, my dear, and believed lady me so much time. Sometimes it is difficult to breathe. I want to run to you and fell into your tender embrace. Smile, you are here. Feel you are warmth and with you. Always there are days when I miss you so much that I cannot stop myself from thinking of you. You are my world, my life, the very breath I breathe. Everything is dull and bringing without you. When you are together, my just falls away like a jet plane. But when you are apart, I can feel every ticking second. The clock hammering one nail after another. Struggle in my heart. Miss you, Annie. Good morning. I hope woke up feeling rested and ready to take on the day. Today is a fresh start full of new chance and good things waiting for you. What comes for you just taking on steps a time because you have what it takes handle anything. Remember you are amazing. I believe in you. I am carrying you on far from here and I look forward to hearing about the little wins specials movement that makes me today great list make it is a dream smiling about you are the most incorrectable woman.